I don't know, I want to get some water. Let's go water for you. Come on. So cute. Taste this food. No, Teddy, no. Oh, it's so cute. I want to hold it, but I know I shouldn't.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's a little stressed because we caught it a couple times. They kept getting away. It knows how to fly a very little bit, but not much.
Do you think you can fly out of this enclosure?
Probably if it really, really wanted to.
Aw, poor little thing. Teddy, no. Teddy, don't lick my camera.
I just don't know what to do. Daddy, go look up animal control and see what we should do for it.
Aw, it's so tiny. Teddy, I know you want to see the bird. Okay, you go in there, Teddy. Oh, hi, little bird.
It had its mouth open like it was hungry, so I wanted to get it a drink of water at least. Come on. Come on, open up. I don't want you to dry out. It's so hot, little baby.
Well, there is water there we could splash in if it's so
yeah,
desired.
but it's not used to water. It just got out. It just left the nest.
So then why are you trying to give it water?
Well, because it had its mouth open, and I figured I could just put it right in there like the mommy does.
Oh,
It
it's so...
doesn't know how to drink water. It doesn't know how to do anything that its mommy doesn't do for it.
I want to pet it so bad.
Pet it.
Okay. Little
Hey.
bird.
Okay,
Oh.
this is weird, okay? I'm starting to do this, okay? And look at what comes up second.
We can hear you.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a cute little birdie. What kind of bird do you
Best they
think
could
this
do
is?
Leave it alone.
The parents will find it and continue to take care of it wherever it is. Baby Bess, do not leave. Okay, so we need to put it back where it was?
But where's the nest?
Over by the pool. It fell out of those trees over there. Okay, let's put you back. See, whoopsie, come on. Come on, baby.
Oh!
See it? Yes, your mommy will find you.
Oops.
Put you back where you
Oh! Bird!
I want Teddy to get it. That was bird. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Remember that one time I saved the bird from the pool?
Okay, why don't you do something for me? Open the door.
Alright, I'll open the door.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Alright, follow me.
Alright.
Okay. Lift that up. Lift that glass thing up. And can we take those eggs out of there? Set that down on the counter.
It's a little dark.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Pick up the nest. Did all the eggs come out?
Yeah, all the eggs came out. Here's the nest.
Okay, let's put it outside. I'll get the door.
Nice.
I don't want it to be out of this enclosure because of the dark. Open there.
I'll open it.
Nice little flow chart. I found it now, baby bird, now what? Just put this bird in the bushes with a tree limb nearby.
And the tree room's nearby?
Yep. Or in a nest.
Oh, little baby bird.
Stop chirping. Chirp for your mommy.
It jumped in a branch I saw. I think.
It jumped?
I saw it jumped into the tree or over the fence.
I wonder if it went over and down.
It better not have.
It might have.
No, baby bird.
Oh, we found the branch.
See, I told you it landed on the branch. And then there's Molly there. Molly, no, you're not getting any birdie snacks. You hound dog.
We'll just leave that there for now in case he
All
wants
right.
to climb back in it.
Alright. Well, Well, this was an adventurous. It was so cute. Oh my gosh, I love birds. I wish we could have pet birds. I know you said they're noisy and messy, but birds.
That's so funny.
So creepy.
What you do when you find a baby bird in
Wanna
a
go
second.
swimming here and swim?
Sure. Let me stop recording since the whole bird adventure's over.
Quit it.
And end film.